What's happening, people? Welcome back to the By Nature Food Kitchen. I'm Mikey, and today we're going to be going through two amazing, refreshing, delightful summer drinks. First one is going to be an iced tea. The first time I had iced tea, I was around 7 or 8, and I can't say I fell in love with it straight away, but definitely over time it's something it's grown on me. I think it's just an incredible recipe to make and then bring to the park or what have you, enjoying your garden where you can also soak up some sun. We're also going to be making a pineapple and jalapeno mojito, which is just absolutely incredible. It's something that we've been playing around with in terms of the flavors, and they complement each other so well. You know what? I'm starting to find that pineapple goes with a lot of things. And yes, it definitely also goes with pizza. So if you disagree, let me know in the comments below. But without further ado, let's jump into this recipe, and yeah, let's make some iced tea to begin with. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make some tea. So you want to boil some water, and then you want to grab yourself some black tea. If you just got English breakfast tea, that will work as well. That's definitely a blend of black tea. And then pop your tea bags into the water. Leave that to bubble, to steam, to steep for a little while, and just let the water really infuse with those flavors. The next thing you want to do now is you want to pour your steeped tea into a pitcher, into a large pitcher. Slice up some lemons, throw them in there. You want to pop the mixture into the pitcher without the tea bags. At this point, you want to add some baking soda. I know that sounds incredibly weird, but baking soda is going to help prevent the tea getting super bitter when you leave it in the fridge and you're not able to drink all of it straight away. So trust me, it's going to work. It doesn't take away from any flavors or anything like that. It's only going to help to enhance the drink. So mix everything together, add some more ice if you need, and then pop it into a glass, and we're good to go. And that's it really. Pop back into the fridge if you want, just to make sure that it's nice and chilled. I mean, after all, it is iced tea. So the final drink to round off today's video, so it's a pineapple and jalapeno mocktail. It's sweet, it's got a spicy undertone, and so refreshing. What I'm gonna do is start with your orange juice and your pineapple juice, pop that into your large pitcher or serving glass. Then you want to add your lime juice. You can either squeeze 2 limes or just use about half a cup or so of lime juice. Then you want to add jalapenos. And finally, pineapple chunks. Stir that all together until it's well combined. Until it's well combined. So the next thing you want to do is you want to leave your drink to cool, or if you're like me, you want to drink it straight away. So grab yourself some ice cubes, pop that into your glass. If you're sharing it with someone, throw them some ice cubes as well, share out the love, and then just pour around 3/4 or so of the juice into the glass. Sorry, I should say that again. Pour until the glass is 3/4 full, not 3/4 of the juice, 3/4 full in the glass. And then what you want to do is grab some ginger beer and just top it off. Cheers. So you can store these in your fridge, and I would say keep the juice mix separate to the ginger beer and just combine them when you're ready. If you want to make it a little bit sweeter, Feel free to add a sweetener of your choice. You know, agave is a good choice, or brown sugar, it's really up to you. But that's it, that rounds off this video. I hope that you found it useful, and you've got 2 more amazing summer recipes to introduce to your friends and family. Definitely when we have some good weather, get making these. And something I should say, if you want to really turn the heat up, if you want to get things interesting, turn them into cocktails. Use any alcohol of your choice. It'll work really well. I mean, rum's a good choice. That's always what I would go to. And let us know what you think. Let us know what other drinks you want to see, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes which we've been cooking up for you. So until then, peace out.